Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace an interior door handle on a Toyota Sequoia. First, ensure you have the correct replacement handle and all necessary tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Safety is key, so begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. This simple step prevents accidental electrical issues while you work on the door panel. Having the right parts and tools ready makes the job much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old handle. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry off the door panel, starting from the edges. Be mindful of any hidden screws or clips. Once the panel is loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors and the door cables attached to the handle mechanism. Finally, locate and unscrew the mounting screws that secure the old handle assembly to the door frame. This frees up the damaged part. With the old handle out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new handle assembly into the opening on the door frame, ensuring it aligns correctly. Use the mounting screws you removed earlier to firmly secure the new handle in place. Don't over-tighten them. Next, reattach the door cables and any electrical connectors to the new handle, making sure they click securely into their respective slots. Double-check all connections. Almost done. Now, carefully reattach the door panel, aligning all clips and pressing firmly until it's secure. Make sure no wires are pinched. Once the panel is back on, reconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Finally, test the new interior door handle multiple times to ensure it operates smoothly and latches correctly. Also, check the exterior handle and power windows to confirm everything functions as expected. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.